Manabo to learn. I learn from my mistakes. Michige kara. Manabi mashita. Daryoko effort. I believe in hard work. Daryoko no chikara o shinjite mashita. Jishin confidence. Slowly, I gain confidence. Sokoshi Jutsu Jishin ga Tsuki Mashita. Ho'u Kou direction. I was searching for direction in life. Jinsei no Ho'u Kou o Sagashite Mashita. Ketsudan decision. I made important decisions. Juuyu na Ketsudan o Shimashita. Henka changed my life. Henka changed. My life started to change. Jinsei ga Kawari Hajime Mashita. Sei Chao growth. I began to grow as a person. Ningen to shite Seicho Hajime Mashita. Tenki turning point. There was a turning point in my life. Jinsei ni Tenki ga Arimashita. Daigaku University. I entered university to study engineering. Kougaku o Manabo Tame Daigaku ni Hairimashita. Kougaku Engineering. I studied electrical engineering. Electrical engineering o Benkyu to o Benkyu Shimashita. Kizuku to realize. I realized it was not my true fashion. Sore ga honto uno jounetsu de naito Kitsuki Mashita. Kyoumi interest. My interest shifted to programming. Kyoumi ga Puro gu ramingo ni Utsuri Mashita. Puro gu ramingo programming. I started learning programming. Puro gu ramingo o Manami Hajime Mashita. Koodo code. I wrote my first lines of code. Hajime te koodo o Kakimashita. Muzokashi difficult. At first it was difficult. Hajime wa muzokashi kata desu.